my beauty channel. Today's video, as I promised, I will do first impression with Bareminerals that I've got from INFLUENSTER. I won the campaign and they sending me the products, all is Bareminerals. If you want to know what is INFLUENSTER is, you can check the link up here and you will get the information. All of the goodies right here in front of me. We will start it from my eyes. So basically my makeup routine, I like to finish my eyes first and do my face. I just bought this one from Ulta Beauty. It's very pretty that you have all the accessories for your hair, and I love this one so much. It's not bad, it's just $8 and you got all of this one. So which one you like, guys? Probably I'm gonna use this and this. This looks like I put diamond on my hair. I love diamond. I have this mirror. This is also very convenient. I bought it again at Ulta Beauty. This one is a mirror that they have a light in it. Like it just use battery, like on and off. Here we go. One, they have lights in it, so if you turn on, it looks like that. I don't want to blind you guys, but yep, there you go. Okay, now we become closer. We will do the brows. I'm using Benefit Precise Brow in the shade 3.5. I like to brush it over. I always starting from bottom here, but before that I like to measure up like here, and also this one, just make it like a straight line. That's your guidance. Done. Who say that making brow take you long time? No, it's just not even 1 minute because of Benefit Precisely Brow Pencil. After, before. Remember, when you use concealer as your eye base or eye primer, you have to set it right away so they're not streaky. And using Mystic, this one, I gotta set my eyes with this color. The second one will be using Sandstone, starting for outer corner on your crease. It's kinda like back and forth. Don't forget to tap your brush. We will use this one. And next we will use the second one, the Gold Tribe. Yes. Back again. I don't know what's going on with my camera. It suddenly couldn't record anything, and I just realized my memory card was full. So the last one is Indie. We're gonna continue with this color. Alright, both eyes is done. Next, we will put this eyeliner by Bareminerals. They call long wearing eyeliner in the shade Absolute Black. Alright, Boom. We will put eyelashes, but before that, we try the Lashtopia by Bareminerals. Ooh, the one is big. Wow. It's separated in the lashes right away. And the length. Here, let me close up and you will see the magic right there. I literally just brush it off, like wiggle it. You see that? Wow. That's so nice. Do you see that? For you who doesn't like to put false lashes, I recommend this Lashtopia by Bareminerals. Do you see my eyes? Yeah, so pretty. And next is my favorite Sephora lashes in the Craze number 35. Do you see why I like Sephora lashes? Yes, it's very comfortable, but it's bold. Now we're gonna finish the rest of the face. I like to use the Dew Mist by Bareminerals as my first primer. Remember, you have to shake it up. Let it sit for a couple seconds until they dry. This is the bottles. Travel friendly. The texture, it's like gel. You see that? Here we go. Oh, it's silicone-y. Alright, let's put it right here. I like to put it in my pores area. Put it. I like to put 2 pumps. It's enough for all my face. My favorite brush for foundation is from BH Cosmetics. This is just a little trick for me. Before I apply my foundation with my brush, I used my mist, my setting spray, any type of setting spray. Just spray on the brush, so it makes your foundation very, very nice and smooth when you apply it on your face. This is how it looks like. Do you see that? It's exactly like my skin tone. You can see from my neck and my face right now, it's same color. It's my Juno & Co beauty sponge. So kind of like press it, the foundation into your skin, so it's flawless, like a baby skin. I love to use this Juno & Co microfiber sponge because they're not like sink in the products, especially for liquid foundation. They're not absorb the products. I love my skin today. To set my under eyes with this Bareminerals Mineral Veil. I think this is too dark for my under eyes, but we try. They have like a pink color to it. Next, we will apply this bronzer using my favorite BH Cosmetics Studio Pro. Ooh, I love the color. And if you don't want to look like you have double chin, you can always like apply the bronzer right here. It's gonna make like the illusion when you're taking picture or like recording a video. And don't forget to put this area too. I love it so much. This color right here. Draw you drew a line and then making like that. And then right here to make your lips more fuller. Use this blush. Just right here. You can smile if you want. Oh, this is pretty. Oh. I love the feeling when I apply this. It's very creamy, comfortable, and the pigment is there. Last but not least, lipstick right here. Oh, the smell make me hungry. Okay. Don't forget to put your setting spray after you apply your makeup. To lock in the place. Alright, so this is the final look. What you guys think? Do you like it? Thank you guys for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay home. I love you.